Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. You'll also need a replacement motor specifically designed for the Dyson SV15 model. Start by unplugging your vacuum cleaner to ensure safety during the process. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off the motor compartment. Be cautious as there may be some dust buildup inside. It's a good idea to clean this area with a soft brush or cloth to ensure optimal performance after the motor replacement. Now you will see the motor assembly. Disconnect the motor by carefully unplugging the electrical connector. If you find this step challenging, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you if you're unsure about the process. After disconnecting the motor, you will need to remove it from its housing. This may require a bit of wiggling, but it should come out with some gentle force. Take your new motor and insert it into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks into place. Before reassembling, it's wise to test the new motor. Plug in your vacuum and turn it on briefly to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you're not comfortable doing this, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once you've confirmed the motor is working, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the cover back on the motor compartment and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling during use. Finally, reattach the dust canister and give your vacuum a thorough clean. This will help maintain its performance and longevity. If you find that this process is too hard or time-consuming, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV15. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your vacuum, ensuring it continues to perform at its best. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.